So we are at a part where only people that are staying in the hotel are allowed, but we managed to come in here.
Not by us wanting to.
Yeah, we didn't want to. We just like ended up here. So we're gonna see what we can do. Okay, guys. So right now we're in the area where the hotel rooms are. And I don't think we're allowed in here, but so we're gonna go. We're gonna go in through there. Okay, let's go. I saw something. This is really creepy. No, Brennan. Okay, so if we get caught, so we're like literally just walking around and seeing where we end up. So we have no idea where we are. We're just going all the way to the bottom. Where are they going? No, we're gonna get lost. We're just like walking around. Like there's no one in here. Oh my god, that lady scared me. Where's the bottom? Where's the I don't know. They don't let me go in the front because they're scary cats, so I'm all the way in the back. I'm scared. They let me go in the front. We're lost. Okay, so I made it to the front now. I'm scared. If we pass by someone, just smile like we're supposed to be here. Finally found our way out of the room.
For like an hour.
Okay, let's go.
The boiler room.
We're gonna try to go to the boiler room. Hopefully it's not closed. We're in the elevator. we couldn't freaking get out of the rooms, and then we got like we saw two people that work here. And we tried to like run away.
Play it off.
Like we tried playing it off, and it was so bad. So now we're gonna try to go to the boiler room, and we don't know where it is.
My favorite part.
So now I think we found a way to go to the boiler room. So we're gonna go over there. We found it. Okay, we made it. Hopefully we don't get lost. This place is creepy. I don't like Oh, sorry. This is creepy. Okay, try to keep it cool. Sure, we can get kicked out. Stop. Stop or we can get kicked out. Natalie, is this even the right spot? Okay. I'm back. I've never been here. That scared me.
You've never been here?
No, not through here.
This part always scares me.
We always go through a different area.
Other way. Wow, look at that. Just walk.
Yep.
Okay. Deposit your boarding class. Oh, right here?
Nope.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, we
So
made
this is
it.
the pool, I think. Oh my god, it is.
So, we made it. And look what we found.
Color.
Now we are in the engine room. No. Okay, wrong way. Hey. We're going to the engine room. Exhibit continues. That's why, because we always go through the steps. This is the third time we're going around in circles.
Go down. It's not this way because where is it going?
Then it probably continues over there. Okay, so we found the actual one because the one we went to earlier wasn't even the right one. Yep, this is it. That's how I was like, it's not that one. The other one seemed too small. This is like so big. Like there's different levels and stuff. But it's like stuffy in here because there's no windows or anything. Engine room. Okay, so now I'm recording with the flash because this guy said if you record with the flash, you can see gold. So we're by ourselves now. Everybody's very scared. Okay, so he's following us. Go. gosh, let's get out. And he was trying to be nice to us and tell us about ghosts, but anyway, it was creepy. So now we're by ourselves. And we ran away from him. Really sweating. We ran and we were going up the escalators and somebody pushed me and I fell.
Look in the side.
So Maddie said her back started hurting. She has scratches on her back and she was all the way in the back by herself. Maddie?
What? I can't. I told you my back was hurting.
You're the one in the back.
Yes, that's why I told you my back was hurting.
Wait, let me see. Bro. She just got scratched and nobody scratched her.
I told you guys that
Maddie.
my back was hurting.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Dude,
no nail scratches at all.
what the heck? We're by ourselves and dude, my neck cracked. My neck cracked. I literally almost died. No, my neck hit the stairs. Oh. Guys, I fell. We were running up the steps. I fell. I hurt my arm, but you can hear my neck and like my back go like really bad. So we're out of there now. Maddie didn't have the best experience. It was her first time here, and she got scratched by a ghost. Like, we're not kidding.
And he
She's-
said it all serious.
Remember the guy I was talking about? He was like, oh yeah, there's ghosts or whatever. Record with your flash. So we were recording. Oh, it's because there's people. That's what I'm
And
looking.
I was at the end.
And she was all the way in the back, and then she started complaining about her back. And then we checked her back. She had scratches all over it. Okay, so apparently this is like the pool room where this little girl died. And it looked like shit, but we're by ourselves. And we're gonna go like close to it and listen. Okay, so we just met like this really cool guy that works here, and he told us that he was standing here. He was standing here. He was standing here one day. There was an event, and he was like by himself, and somebody whispered into his ear.
Guys, it's cold.
So that's the pool where the little girl died. You can actually like see like on this side right here. It's like covered, but you can actually see in there.
Where?
Like through here, there's like a crack. Like right there, see light?
Oh my god.
So we're just gonna kind of hang out a little longer. No. We're gonna go in these elevators that are part of the inside
The actual-
of the Queen Mary.
Like the actual.
Like they're like old, as you can see. Fingers crossed.
Is it still there?
Yup, it's still there. So those are the scratches. She still has them. We're in the elevator. You can say it's like super tiny, like.
Guys, I'm scared.
Oh, what?
Record.
We don't want to go out. So, oh wait. We're in here. He said B34.
7 years ago.
I think the one he was talking about, it doesn't have a door. It's like it has like plastic on it. My shoulder's hurting.
Yes, you didn't see that.
You didn't see it? It was on this
I
side.
got scared.
Use it.
Did you hear that right? Natalie's saying she wants to go to the room, and then she runs back. You're my partner then. The room's that way.
Which side is it on?
Okay, so we're gonna go. I'm not looking at the sides. So there's like this room. We were here earlier, guys, and we weren't this scared. It's just the engines. Okay, we made it back to where there's like more people. We're not by ourselves anymore. My hair is like so messed up because we've been running it everywhere. But we've witnessed a lot of stuff. We heard noises. She got scratches on her back. Like people even showed us, like employees here showed us videos and stuff. So now we're just like over here enjoying the view. The window's pretty dirty, but this is where we are. And then there's like displays of like ships and stuff. So we're back.
Can I fix my hair?
We're far away from the Queen Mary. We're surrounded by more people now. So no ghost can come scratch us. Well, they didn't even scratch us. They scratched her, but still, you know what I mean. So there's a lot of people. So I'm gonna vlog less because they're gonna stare at me. You know the vlog and the people. Yeah. Okay, so we were sitting here, right? This group of guys comes up to us. Well, not us. My sister, and they were like, "Do you guys want to do a trick or whatever?" And they were like, "It's for YouTube." And it's a whole bunch of guys, right?
Doesn't even help me.
And they didn't have a camera out, and I'm like, "Where's the camera?" And they're like, "Oh, on my phone." And then the game or trick, whatever, was, what did you even have to do?
You have to, for real. You said just
Rock,
kiss.
paper, scissors.
Oh, rock, paper,
Bitch, I
scissors.
won.
If you lose,
I give him
you
pro.
kiss me, and if you don't, you slap me.
Bring him back, bro. I'll do it. Fucking roast his
And then
ass.
she said no, and then they asked us, and we obviously said no.
No, because I said why me though?
Yeah.
And they said any of you, and I was like,
And then they were like, "Okay, just follow
He
us.
was actually cute.
We'll follow you on Instagram." Well, it was only one of them.
but I didn't.
So, yeah, that happened. I got footage of them, and I'll put it up after this. So, yeah.
We play. I don't have to.
Why me though?
That's it. It could be any of you guys.
Okay, not me though.
You pick.
No, you just. I was walking straight. And you guys pushed me to it.
Can't play. Oh, you don't want to. What do you play? What do you play? What do you play?
You get an Instagram? I'm trying to get on like anybody on Instagram. Like I'll pass it around. Yeah.